They're all marked with each frame. Alright, we got a cool setup today. We won't be installing, but we're going to be putting these together. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all these frames. Cool. Brand new blades on everything. All the routers are brand new blades. We are gonna have the sickest cuts. This is gonna be great. This is our list for today, guys. This is all we gotta do. We got 9 doors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a couple missing, but bam, all these right here. Oh yeah, he's got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, guys. 1 to go, 8 to go. No, sorry, 1 down, 8 to go.
Pensamos igual, pero puedo seducirte como nadie lo podrá. Esta noche si tú quieres todo eso puede pasar.
That was it. Right. 9 interior units pre-hung, ready to be installed. The customer didn't give me the hinges. It was supposed to be here at 6:30 a.m. Did not show up. They're prepped though. They're all ready to go. They're all just all the customer has to do is attach to everything. These are ready to go. Okay, chat. Now we are officially done. Everything's been cleared up, cleaned out of the way. So we have our 9 interior pre-hung units. They're all marked with each frame. 3 right hand. So you just gotta look for number 3, attach it to the frame, and you're golden. All right, chat. On to the next. DoorDaddyWizard does it again.